Today's quick deep dive is into an aggressive fast producer, the 2 clear ice ball maker often listed under Oilus, which advertises the ability to produce 4 crystal clear 2 spheres in about 35 minutes and up to about 144 spheres per day, specs that position it as one of the faster consumer-oriented sphere machines on the market. The Oilus listings I tracked emphasize rapid cycles, 35 to 40 minutes, an LCD touch panel for straightforward control, dual waterfill options, manual reservoir or direct waterline hookup, and a one-touch self-cleaning routine, conveniences that make it a strong pick for people hosting larger groups or running a busy home bar. On price, third-party listings and auction snapshots have shown this model in the higher consumer bracket, MSRP callouts around $599 in some listings, with periodic discounts depending on seller and region. So it's not a budget impulse buy, it's a serious home bar purchase. User ratings aggregated on several international retail pages show generally positive impressions. Buyers praise speed and clarity of the ice, but there are the usual cautions about size, noise, and occasional initial setup quirks. In short, it performs well, but you should be ready for a sizable countertop appliance and follow the setup guides closely. For vlog-style verdict language, if you want production speed, directional freezing clarity, and the option for continuous water feed so you never run out during a party, this Oilus-style unit is one of the faster options, but weigh that against the higher price bracket and required counter space. And a reminder for those who want links, we share by links in description box.